If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. Sometimes vendors offer discounts if you pay a bill early. QuickBooks Online cannot automatically calculate early bill payment terms when paying bills. However, you can create terms that show the early bill payment in the name of the terms, so you can remember to manually apply the discount as a vendor credit if you pay the bill early according to the specified terms. For example, you can create a net 30 based set of terms and then name it something like 2% 10 net 30, so you know you can take a 2% discount if you pay it within 10 days, or else pay it in full within 30 days. To create terms, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then click the All Lists link under the Lists heading to open the Lists page. Then click the Terms link in the page to open the Terms page and show any terms you have created. Click the New button in the upper right corner of the page to open the New Term window. Type a name for the new term into the name field, and then select the desired option button for when it is due, and enter the required number of days or enter the day as needed. When finished, click the Save button to save the new payment term and close the window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.